if you get a change in your body, I've never seen a trainer who gets a change that's Praveen.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I'm Maahek Nair and today we are doing low carb chicken pesto open wrap. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Ingredients for the same. Here I have one skinny. So these are really cool egg white and almond flour tortillas which are made, and they are excellent. You can find below in my description how you can buy them. A pinch of clarified butter, that's desi ghee, and I'm just going to grease the same. Now I'm going to add my skinnies to the pan and cook this on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's in a pan. I have taken half a teaspoon of clarified butter. Now to that I'm going to add my chicken, which is marinated with pesto sauce. And now our chicken is well done, and I'm going to cut in. You could also use a chopping board and cut the same, but because it is hot, I'm going to cut it here itself. It's much easier. And I'm going to transfer it into the plate. Now in all the fat that was left, I've added my kale leaves. Just be careful while adding because it suddenly comes up. So here we go ahead with my low carb pesto chicken open wrap. So first here I have my skinnies. To that I'm going to add my tartar sauce. Half a teaspoon of tartar sauce. I'm using a butter knife and going to evenly spread the same. Next I'm going to add is, going to keep it really simple. I'm going to add some kale, some avocados, chicken breast, and our low carb pesto chicken open wrap is ready. Hey guys, so our chicken pesto open wrap is ready. This is an ideal meal for a lunch or a dinner. It contains good amount of lean protein. It also has less than 5 grams of carb per meal. That means it is an awesome, amazing meal which is going to give you satiety. At the same time, will make you feel really light on the stomach. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please go on to our website, that's www.bodyprocoach.com. You'll get to see their amazing blogs and get to know more programs about us.